Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name's Bex, my name's Becca, my name's Rebecca. You could call me whatever you like, but don't call me Becky. Today, we are back on my Because Health channel. I know I've abandoned you guys for a while. I've actually been testing a lot of methods. I hit a funk, honestly. I've hit an energy funk, and I'm just trying to get right back into the swing of things. A lot of disruption, so I've been taking a hiatus to get my energy together, to get myself right, been changing my diet, been just doing all kinds of things, you know, and I'm back here with it, with some information. So this is gonna be a very short video, just a little simple thing. So if you guys wanna know how taking a shot a day has helped heal my PCOS and has helped my gut health, please keep watching. So if you guys don't follow the Hood Healer or Holistic Baddie, I definitely recommend you go ahead and follow these two lovely ladies. They've actually helped put me on to taking a shot a day. This is key lime juice. Do you see how electric yellow? And I said key lime, not lime, key lime. There's a big difference. Key limes are actually natural. Limes are hybrid. No, Odin, sorry, my cat. This is key lime here. They are actually the natural lime that we can find in nature. A lime is a hybrid that has been altered and changed and now has a different molecular structure than our body is used to. Our body can actually process lime juice better. So what you do is you wake up. I normally take a few minutes to wake up, but the first thing, you don't ingest anything, you don't brush, you don't do anything. You go ahead and take your key lime shot. This is about 4 limes. I normally take between 3 to 4 key limes. It just depends how juicy they are, but that's about how much that I take. It's very similar as to taking a internal shower. You know, you wash your body on the outside, so you wanna just wash your body on the inside. It helps boost your metabolism. I do notice I burp. Depending on what I have, I'll be burping and it kind of just like opens and awakens my body. And after I take this, I either drink coconut water, I drink spring water, or alkaline water. So taking this key lime shot in the morning, it's gonna help boost your metabolism. Obviously, that's number 1. It also aids in your gut health. So of course, it depends on what you're eating at the time and the things you aren't eating and, you know, what you're taking in your body, but it's also gonna help improve your gut health. It's kind of gonna help start your day. I do notice that when it comes to food, I make better choices when I have this in the beginning of the day. But for me, I'm more staying on fruits and vegetables in the morning and then kind of taking my day from there. By the way, I am transitioning to a vegan style diet. I eventually want to be alkaline diet, but I'm transitioning. I still am eating seafood, which is shrimp and just regular fish. And then I'm also still eating cheese. But that is, get out of that trash. No, sorry, it's my cat. So I'm just in a transitional period. I did stop keto. I will be talking to you guys about me stopping keto and the things that happened to me. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. But back on to the benefits of this key lime juice. It's gonna help revitalize your cells. It helps lower your risk of cancer. It helps promote weight loss. Again, is what I was saying about like it's starting your gut health, kind of making you make better decisions. You know, your stomach feels lighter. You don't really want anything heavy or things like that. It helps reduce your risk of heart disease, helps improve your immune system, it helps lower your blood sugar. It has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's gonna help your muscles and everything from swelling and things like that. It's also gonna help your uterus as well when it comes to swelling. We know that PCOS is a lot of a inflammatory based disease, so it has a lot to do with swelling and things of that sort. So taking this is definitely helping aid you. It also is gonna help regrow your cells, kind of give your cells a fresh start in the day. Like that's probably like the best thing that I can say about that. But what I will say is me taking this has helped my vagina so much. It has lowered my pain, but I will say it helps cleanse out your old tissues. You know, you're supposed to get rid of your tissues. You're supposed to steam, you know, your vagina and your cervix is supposed to decompress and get all those old cells and everything out. So of course during those times you're gonna have a little more pain. What was it, 2 days ago? I've had the worst cramps practically that I've almost ever had. I mean, I've passed out multiple times, but this was like a labor pain. I felt pressure in my back out. I felt like I needed to push. I kept going to the toilet trying to sit down because it just felt like I needed to push. Very heavy cramping. My hips were hurting. Like, it was like a labor type of pain I was experiencing, but I was shedding old tissue. Now, it wasn't a lot of old tissue, but it was old tissue. You know, in order for your body to get rid of this and detach, it has to go through this squeezing and, you know, process. It was tough, but you know, I don't have that in my body now. That's one less thing that I don't need, you know, that's gonna help me in the end. I will say I have a cyst on my left ovary. Well, I did. It's probably gone by now. That was probably what I shed, to be honest, but it doesn't hurt anymore. Like, it doesn't hurt at all. Normally, you know, we'll have pains in our ovaries on our cysts, but since I've been taking this key lime shot, I haven't experienced any of this. So I definitely recommend that you guys try this, whether you're on a regular diet, a vegan diet, whatever. If you have PCOS, try taking a key lime shot. Get natural key limes. The only place that I've been able to find these key limes is at Stater Brothers. Stater Brothers has the natural key limes. So they're the tiny little key limes. A lot of times farmers markets have them. My particular farmers market doesn't have them. They just have the big limes. And they will say key lime, by the way. So you want to make sure that you actually get those. There is some on Amazon that they sell. I'm going to try and look for it and leave it down in the description box if I can for you guys. But there is a bottle of natural key lime juice that you guys can have if you're having trouble finding these key limes, because some people do have a lot of trouble finding them. Also, at certain Smart and Finals, they do sell key limes. I will say that. A few cities down, they have the key limes there, but in mine, they don't. So you just want to keep that in mind. I haven't seen them at Sprouts, and I'm not sure if Whole Foods carries them either. I will try and leave everything down in the description box. But if you guys have any questions about these key lime shots, or you're really curious about what to do or how to use it, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions for you guys. Make sure you guys do your research, of course. This isn't something that's gonna harm you unless you're allergic to key limes, but this isn't something that's gonna harm you. It's great, super revitalizing. Thumbnail. Super revitalizing and everything. So make sure you guys go ahead and get those key limes and take your shots every day, and check back in with me within a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and tell me how you guys are doing. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys. Let's go ahead and heal ourselves on this beautiful journey. Yes, I love you.